Hi everyone, and welcome back to the DevOps Talks conference in Sydney. I'm here with Andreas, fresh off the stage at DevOps Talks.
That's right, still sweating here.
Yeah, do you want to introduce yourself to everyone for me, Andreas?
Sure, so yeah, my name is Andreas Spanner and I'm the Chief Architect for Australia and New Zealand at Red Hat.
And I think you mentioned before, roughly about 7 years at Red Hat at the moment?
Yeah, time flies,
it
that's
does.
right, 7 years, yeah.
And is this your first in-person conference in a while?
It's the second one,
Yeah, wow.
but it feels like the first because there was still a big gap between the other one, the Adapt event, and this one. So
yeah, and big crowd as well, interested crowd too. How did you enjoy being up on stage today?
yeah, I love the interaction. I mean, you know, people were nodding and shaking their head, and I like that. So this immediate real-time feedback. Sort of, I even stopped and asked them, does that communicate? And I got some nods. So that's always important. I just think it's so good to be back in front of real people, I guess.
Absolutely, and I noticed you didn't have to check if you're on mute either. So am I on mute? Can everyone hear me? The old Zoom problems, right?
That's right.
That we all went through for the last couple of years. Tell us a little bit about your talk today so that everyone out there knows what you were speaking about and also why you chose that topic to speak about.
Yeah, so the topic was application innovation at scale. And the reason I think it's important is because we're seeing a proliferation of different environments. We know edge computing is coming. We know that all the analysts tell us that hybrid cloud and multi-cloud is a thing, and it's a fact of life really. It's here to stay. And edge computing will really affect any and all industries, whether it's finance or telcos or automotive. And so I think it's important to step back and lift the head and see what can I do smarter, right, to choose my right infrastructure. So I spent most of the time talking about cloud infrastructure and how Red Hat OpenShift helps you to reuse the skills and the engineering processes and the people to deploy against any environment. And that's sort of why I chose that topic, because I think the workload for developers in IT and digital will just gonna go up and up, and we're gonna be very busy. You know?
Absolutely, yeah. And I think what you covered in the 30-minute time slot was really excellent. You managed your time well, so nice work on stage today. So on behalf of DevOps Talks conference, we want to thank Andreas and enjoy the rest of the conference.
Awesome, thank you very much.
Thanks, Andreas.
Thanks for having me.
Cut.